All things new, the new heaven and new earth. In the hush after the storm, a whisper, behold, I am making all things new. The stars brighten, as if the dawn waits within them. Light pours like a river, washing the ashes from the world. Stone becomes garden, and dust takes root as blossoms. From the open sky, a city descends pure, radiant, alive. Its gates stand open, its streets gleam like morning water. A river of life flows, bright as crystal through the heart of the city. Their leaves are for healing, their shade is for rest. Faces lift in wonder, every tear already forgotten. Together they step into streets that never dim. Home at last, a world unbroken, a joy unending. Behold, I am making all things new. Revelation 21:5.